Hi guys, today is, let me see, 18th of September. So today is Saturday. I'm working on Wednesday, so it's not Saturday. Today I'm going out. This is my attempt at socializing. Actually, because okay, there's one of the freshers events they have. I don't know if I mentioned it before. Is an IKEA trip. So I signed up for that. So I'm going to school now so that I can go to IKEA because I actually need to pick up some things from there, and we all know IKEA delivery is expensive and it's sort of far from school. So shall I say it is the most cost-effective way for me to get to IKEA. I paid how much? £3, and it's going to be a 2-and-fro journey. So I'm going there now. I didn't even introduce myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. So this is like my uni series vlog. I don't know if I'm going to be making sit-down videos these days. I'm trying vlogs, so I think I'm going to have more vlogs because actually I think I ran out of topic to talk about for sit-down videos. I don't know if you guys can see me clearly. I was saying I think I actually ran out of topic to talk about for sit-down videos, so I'm going to try to do more vlogs. So this vlog is going to be like a day in my life, sort of a day in my life in uni. So let's see. I pray I'm actually able to vlog when I go, because you guys so shy. But let's see. I'm leaving my house. That's a step. It's a step forward. I don't go out. So hopefully I'll see you guys when I get there. I pray I'm able to vlog. I'm so scared right now. I'm so like, I was supposed to go out, like there's a meet your SU event at the SU building. I was supposed to go for that as well, but looks like I'm not going to be able to attend that one. Or maybe when I come back from IKEA, because IKEA trip is actually from 2 o'clock, but it's also at the same venue. The pickup is at the same venue as the meet your SU event. So I might just be able to go because I'm going there to get freebies. I must grab freebies. I don't know. I think this video is actually too bright. I need getting used to this camera. It needs getting used to, and I think I actually need a tripod because it's cropped in, but I can get it, like I'm fine with this, but I'm stretching my hands out. Anyways, I'll go out now because I am really late. See you guys when I get there, and maybe I won't say, and the thing is I might not even be able to talk to you guys. I might just be like showing you clips of what I get up to, but let's see. I'm going now. Bye. Hi guys, it's now, what's it now? It is like 6:45 ish. So I went out, but a girl could not bring out the camera to vlog. Anyways, we're back home and we secured the goods. So I went to IKEA with the trip that I said. So apparently when we got there, the email they sent when I registered I don't know if I'm whispering, but the email they sent when I registered for the IKEA trip says it was going to start by 2, but on their flyer list it says it starts by 1. So when I got there by 2, they were like, when it was 1, no one showed up for the trip, so they sent the bus away. Like they sent the bus to go, basically, like they don't have anyone coming. So when I got there, the lady was like, she's coming, she's just going to speak to the SU for me and all of that. So I showed them the email that it did say 2, and they understand that they later realized that the time was messed up, but they still have the same trip, the IKEA trip, planned for tomorrow. So it's Saturday, Sunday, so it's either you go on Saturday or again Sunday. So they asked us if we could go on Sunday. So while I was waiting, another person showed up around 2 and said it was also for the IKEA trip. Asked if we could go tomorrow. I actually said it was fine, but the guy said no, that he won't be able to go tomorrow. So I just said it's better, so that they will take us today. So I just said actually it's better if we go today rather than wait till tomorrow and everything. They were like, okay, that's fine. And they took us, so it was just 2 of us. They call it taxi, and we went with president of Wellbeing or something. So we went there, went with one of the SU officials, and guess what? I got my mirror. I've been living without the mirror. It's ghetto. Without the full length mirror, it's a ghetto life. So I got the full length mirror mirror as well. So when I saw the mirror, was sort of like, he's not sure if the taxi will be able to carry the mirror. But when we were coming, they did book a big taxi for us. It was like, what even we're going is not a big taxi that comes like those cab ones. Is it cab? I don't know what they're called now. I can't remember. So I was like, I was just like, I'll get it. Like, let's just see. I don't want to. When we're going back and the taxi is here and it's a big taxi and I didn't get the mirror, so I was like, I'll just get it, just in case. I'll just get it. I was like, okay, that's fine, because IKEA's delivery fee. I'll pay £40 to deliver a mirror of £25. God, I said no. I'll just find somewhere. And I was trying to check on Wilco, B&M and the likes, but I didn't get any that I liked that was within the price range. Like, for the size of what I was seeing on those sites, the price were no. I didn't have that money, basically. So I was going to go for the IKEA one. So when we got there, thank God it was a big taxi that came and I was able to carry my mirror. So when we got to the student union building back in school, so I was like, I'll just call a taxi to pick me from there to go home. And the guy was like, no, it's fine. Since I live close, like, I'll pay how much? Like £5 for like a 2-minute drive or something. Since it's close by, it's going to help me to carry it. That's how I carried the mirror for me, and I did not pay £50. I did not pay £5. I carried the mirror. I came to my house. I'm back home now. Let me show you the things that I got. So I got this trolley thing. I will insert the picture of what it looks like from the website. So I got that one for my bathroom. I got this really small bath mat. So when we got there, this was what was in my basket because I added the things that I wanted. I added them to my IKEA cart before we left, so that I made sure they were in stock in that location and what aisle they were or what department they were. So this was in my basket. When we got there, I didn't like what it looked like, so I saw another one that was like for £5. So I was like, I'm going to get that one. But apparently the guy that I went there with, was like £5 is too much and everything. So he just picked this. So I'm like, you might as well just get the £1.51. I'm not going to die. So we let go of the £5 ones. And we have the £1.51. And it's not bad. I just wanted the white one. There was actually another one that the price was more sense making, but they didn't have it in white. I don't know why I wanted the white bath mat, but that was what I wanted. And I got blinds. My room is actually very bright. I have 2 windows in my room, but they are fine. They have blinds. But in my toilet, God, I was saying, was it yesterday? I don't know. Like, every time I have to use the toilet during afternoon, like 11, 12, I'll have to cover my head with the towel because the sun was so much. So I got this one from IKEA. I don't know. I wasn't sure if I should just get only one because this was actually £3.50. But because it is IKEA, I can't pay for delivery and it's far from here. It's about 40-minute drive. I don't drive. So if I was going by bus, it's going to be like an hour or thereabout. Like, it's better to just get, better safe than sorry. So I got 2 of them rather than just one, just in case one was not enough. It was £3.50 each, and that was that. I also picked myself up this lovely plant. It's hanging plant. I didn't get the fake ones. I wanted the real one, so I got this one, and it was for £5. So I love this. Hopefully, I pray I'm able to keep it alive. Yeah, I actually have one. I have my rubber plant. I'm just waiting for that plant to grow so tall. Like, I am anticipating when it is big already. I pray I don't kill it before then. And I also got this shower caddy. So it's not the ones with drill. It has this suction cups to hold it to the wall. So that one, and I actually love this. Also got like toothbrush holder, also with the suction cup too. And there's this one, just extra suction cups, just extra ones, just in case. I think this one was for £2 or £2.50. And I just got this one, this organizing bit. I have some free space down my table here, and I need to put some things in there. So I got this one. I could have gotten 2 of it, but the girl doesn't have money. The coin were racking up, so I just got one, and it's a shelf, so I'm just going to put whatever I want to put on the other shelves. But this one is going to hold my camera, my cords, like all those wires and everything is going to be in there. And I actually like this. I wish I got 2, but I don't have the money, so let's not wish. And then my mirror, my baby boo, and my mirror. That's it. We'll have that one. And yeah, I'm not sure if I want to hang the mirror or maybe I can use this, what do you call them, command strips to hang it up, because it will actually be better if I'm able to hang it. But if I'm not able to hang it, I'm fine by it just sitting down there. And I was actually supposed to go to Superdrug to pick shampoo because my hair needs some loving. It's been like 2 weeks I haven't washed it, so I need to wash my hair. But because I went out so late, I wasn't able to go to the stores. So probably tomorrow I'm going to go to the store. But if not, I think we're good today. I'm actually happy that I got everything that I needed, like everything I needed. Yes, I don't think I'm going to willingly spend any other money now, except it's a necessity.
All a lie, guys. It was all a lie. She lied.
I think that's everything, and yeah, that will be the end of this vlog. Hopefully next time I tell you I have a day in my life vlog, it is more success than this. I'm actually able to vlog when I go out. Today I wasn't able to. I was not able to vlog at all. I could not bring out my camera. Oh dear. It's a learning curve, it's a process. I tried it today, it wasn't successful. So next time I'm going to try it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. At least the little you can see. And yeah, watch out for more content, more vlogs. And thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.